Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have a nice big firework. Been a bit chewed by rats, so we're going to see. What we got?
Just going to check it on to see what happens.
Aye.
Roll, baby.
I like the sound of that. What do you think, Case?
I don't know.
He don't know.
Just a cup of tea on the go.
Alright, let's go. You'd like to do the deed? This is going to go up, Case, so you fucking watch it. Oh, shit!
Get out of there!
Oh God! Fuck! It's going everywhere! Oh jeez! Fucking hell! Oh yeah, cool. Yo! That was fun.
Maybe right straight up, not straight at us.
Yeah, no, that would have been fun.